Hey there everybody in RSD land, this is Jenna. Sometimes you see me as Jenna C in the chats, and I'm going to do an unboxing video for you. Kelly Shores made me subscriber of the month, and yeah, so I thought I would thank him, do a little unboxing video, and yeah, let's go from there. But aren't you supposed to be like a little bit better dressed for these things? Let's see. Okay. No, not this shirt. Oh, great shirt. The World of Sean Oz. Check out his channel if you don't already. And I say that because sharing is caring. But no, great shirt, but not this shirt. Oh, Women Who Drone. No, but Ashley, if you ever see this video, this is a great organization to join, but yet not this shirt. SpinUp, but not yet. Oh, awesome shirt, but not for this video. Yeah, I love this shirt. It just shows you the type of high quality merchandise that you can get at SpinUp, but not this shirt. This is the shirt that I wanted. Okay, now let me properly dressed. Let's continue unboxing. And are we supposed to have like really big knives if we do these unboxings? So let me see. Oh, okay. Now this, well, I don't think this is actually a knife. And plus, should it actually be bigger than the box itself? No, but it does go well with my Ren Fair outfit. Now this is a knife. Ooh, buck knife, made in the USA. Now this is a sharp knife. Definitely not a toy. Absolutely have to be careful because I'll tell you, if I break a nail, I'm going to be mad. Okay. Oops. Always cut away from yourself. Actually cutting the cardboard. Okay. Okay. That's safety first because injuries last. And on top, we've got the perfect toy for social distancing these days. Ready, set, drone. Awesome Frisbee. Yes. And lo and behold, another one. Quite frankly, you just can't have too many RSD shirts. So, I want to thank Kelly for that. Oh, wow. Got this. Oh my God, this is great. Little Firefly A20, little drone. Help practice my skills, especially here in the house. This is awesome. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, Master Air Screw props. DJI Mavic 2. Very cool. Hopefully you can see these on the camera. And SpinUp stickers. I got, awesome. SpinUp stickers, Ready Set Drones stickers, which is great. I've got cases for my drones. You see some of them here. I say some of them. Ooh, nice DJI book. Very cool. You can, let's see what's in here. Oh my God. It's a Loom Cube. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Thank you, Kelly. My goodness. And let's see what's in this box here. Gotta be careful, because like I said, I break a nail, I'm gonna be mad. Here we go. Oh. Wow. gloves, charger. Oh, a charger? Oh my God. This is so cool. My goodness, thank you, Kelly. Wow. Very cool. Thank you. I think that goes there. And last but not least is this guy here, of which, oh wow, this is very nice. Wow, a Ready Set Drone Yeti mug, coffee mug, water mug, beverage mug. Very, very nice. Thank you, Kelly, very much. Subscriber of the month, I am extremely honored. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This is awesome. Thank you so very much. This is great. And all this started back in 2017, I think. I started watching your channel. Started with this guy here, the little Blue Jay. I got this drone for Christmas for my dad, actually, because he wrote software to fly, I would say, the real drones. I've grown up pretty much my entire life hearing about drones. And when I say drones, there's a picture in here. Let's see. This is one of my favorite pictures that he has. I'll cut this into the video. Really can't see it all that well. But this is a picture of an F-106 Delta Dart in a left-hand bank over White Sands National Monument, National Park. It was a national monument, now it's a national park. And as you can see in the picture, I've got it on screen there, there's no pilot in that. And that's what they used, among other planes, to for target practice, to practice and further develop their ground-to-air and air-to-air missiles. That whole technology, starting back in the 60s and 70s, and goes on even today. So, and they were called drones, target drones. But I got him a drone, thinking maybe he might like to fly it. He didn't. It sat in the box for about 6 months, and it was getting warm out. So I took it out of the box. We put it together and started playing around with it. And that's kind of how I started into drones. This thing was... Wait. I'm stopping this video. It's supposed to be an unboxing video for Kelly, for making me subscriber of the month, but it's getting way too long, getting way too boring. Yes, back in 2017, when I first got into drones, I started watching Kelly's channel. So I'll blame a little bit of this on you, Kelly. Well, maybe a lot. Maybe not all of it. But I just wanted to say thank you. You know the reason why I got into drones. And I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody, hopefully later on this year, virtual SpinUp, and maybe out in Dillon, Colorado. So I hope everybody just stays safe, well, has a great summer. And yeah, let's fast forward to the end of the video. And again, everybody, thank you, especially Kelly and the entire RSD community. Thank you. Yeah, we have SpinUp coming. It's going to be virtual this year due to you know what. And yeah, hopefully we can all meet up at SpinUp and Spin Down in Colorado. And yeah, again, thank you, Kelly. Oh, hang on. Oh, God's sakes. Yeah, I just got the... So, thanks again, everybody. Bye.